Hot flashes and night sweats are some of the most troublesome symptoms women have as they go through menopause.
Yet some women don't experience any of this at all. CBS 2 Dr. Max Gomez here to tell us doctors may have figured out what's going on here. Doctor.
Yeah, that's right. You know, more than 70% of women experience hot flashes and night sweats. And a number of factors have been linked to them, including ethnicity, being overweight, smoking, anxiety, and depression. But what's a common thread in these risk factors? Turns out it may be genetics. Like many women, Betty Glick has experienced hot flashes from menopause.
The immediate thing is just feeling flush with heat. And for me, it's normally from the neck up. I immediately start to sweat. Hi.
New research suggests genetics may determine which women suffer with the common menopause symptoms. Researchers at UCLA looked at data from nearly 18,000 postmenopausal women and found women who had certain normal gene variants that code for brain cell receptors that regulate estrogen hormone release were more likely to have hot flashes.
The first study ever done to look across the whole genome for hot flashes and night sweats.
Researchers say knowing the genetics of hot flashes could lead to new non-hormonal treatments to relieve those menopause symptoms.
It'll lead us to figuring out the biological mechanism for hot flashes. You know, if we know what the mechanism is, then maybe we can help create some therapies.
But genes are rarely the entire story, and the researchers say they still have to figure out how environmental factors like diet and weight might interact with genetics to trigger menopausal symptoms. Betty was on hormone replacement therapy for a few years, but stopped the treatment. She still suffers through flashes.
It's like so many things. You just sort of learn how to cope.
She says there is one thing that makes her feel better.
This is my fan.
So she makes sure she has it handy when she feels a flash coming on. Now, the genetic variations found in this study were similar in European American, African American, and Hispanic American women, again suggesting there's some environmental triggers such as diet and weight, which may explain why some ethnicities have more symptoms than others. And hormonal therapies can treat that, but a lot of women either can't or don't want to take the hormones. So this is looking for something other than hormones to treat it.
Anything to help.
Exactly.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Dr.
Doc.
Max.